bindi, pencil shape and glitter pasting. We will decorate this peacock with bindis, pencil shavings and glitters. First, color the parts of your peacock with some bright colors. Then, paste bindis on the glimmering colored spots. Now, paste glitters and pencil shavings. See, your peacock is ready to dance. Woven trivet. To make a trivet, you will need 9 ice cream sticks and 3 different kinds of ribbons. A trivet is an object placed between a serving dish and a table. Take 1 ice cream stick and glue the ends of 7 ice cream sticks to it. Now, fold first ribbon over the 7th ice cream stick and glue it at its back. You can also use a masking tape to stick it there. Glue second ribbon to the back of the first ice cream stick and then weave it over and under the 7 ice cream sticks as you have done before. Continue weaving all 3 ribbons in this order until the entire length of the sticks is woven. Finally, glue 1 ice cream stick under all 7 sticks on the opposite end. Your trivet is ready to use. Glass and dal pasting. Let's start your decoration. Apply glue on the small circles. Then paste round shape mirrors in them. They will give a sparkling effect to the picture. Now, apply glue on the big circles and paste different kinds of dal. Now, apply glue on the leaves and paste dal. Your sparkling flowers are ready.